My name is Chantha Nguon. I'm from Cambodia. These recipes are my story. Bún bò Huế is spicy broth, noodle soup, and it comes from the central of Vietnam, from the city of Huế. It's the land of the kingdom of Palace. Bún bò Huế is kind of similar of family with phở, but phở is typical for the north. The broth of bún bò Huế is more complicated than phở. Phở has a broth of beef bone, oxtail, but bún bò Huế has a mixture of beef bone and pork bone and lemongrass in it, and more ingredients in it, and more spicy than phở. Bún bò Huế to me, it's kind of a sad memory, but it's one of my favorites food in Vietnam, because we had nearly nothing, but bún bò Huế has everything in it: meat, vegetable, and noodles. I normally eat bún bò Huế when I have work. I do the embroidery to save up money for our Christmas dinner every year. So it's a year-long work every night, every evening for me and my sister. And then I was in the choir in the church. So we have a small budget every month for dinner together from the church. And then I came across this group of 3 sisters. It was after 1975, and that month we cooked bún bò Huế in the 3 sisters' house. She grilled tofu on the charcoal, and I asked her, "You don't fry tofu?" She said, "Because we don't have money to buy fat or oil." And then we cooked bún bò Huế, and then we learned that they are the daughter of the 3-star colonel in the South Army. And so they are from the very high class family, and then they end up in, no fat to fry a tofu. That day I learned how to make them high class bún bò Huế, and I love it since. So I just repeat the same recipe of bún bò Huế. I never changed, and I believed that's the best bún bò Huế I've ever ate in my life.